Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Bhanot Talks, your very own technology channel. Guys, thank you very much for liking the videos and boosting my confidence and giving me motivation to make awesome videos for you. Now guys, in today's video, I am going to make an effort to tell you something really special, and this is really specially important for my friends who are having Samsung phones. Now guys, on this channel, my effort is that I will make videos that should increase your knowledge and which should enhance your knowledge, so that in any point of time, at any instant of time, nobody can make fool of us. We should have enough knowledge so that nobody can cheat us, nobody can make fool of us. And today's video is particularly important to increase our knowledge, to enhance our knowledge. So guys, I would request you to keep watching the video till the end. So friends, without wasting any time, let's learn the trick and increase our knowledge. So friends, the first thing which you have to do is that you have to open your phone dialer. I repeat, open your phone dialer, and on your phone dialer you have to type a code which I am going to tell you now. Now the code is *7353 and put a hash again. Now when you press this code, a screen like this will appear in front of you. Now guys, this is a very important screen, because this is the screen which is going to tell you whether your phone is working properly or not. If any function of your phone is not working properly, you can detect it from here. As you can see, there is a list of 12 functions which are related to your phone, which you can check one by one. Now let's try to check. Say if you want to check the melody or the ringtone of your phone, press a melody like this. If you want to check the vibration, if you tap on vibration, your phone will keep vibration on and it would keep vibrating. Now this will tell you that the vibration effect of your phone is perfectly working. Okay. Checking the speaker, you click on speaker, again you will hear a sound which would tell you that your speaker phone is working properly. Similarly, you can check the dimming effect, you can check camera. When you check the camera, the camera would open and you can check it, this front camera. Similarly, you can check the front camera like this. Then you can check your Bluetooth connectivity, whether it is working okay or not. Then you can check. Now guys, this is important. Now suppose in some cases what happens is that your touch screen of the phone is not working. Now this will perfectly see where I am touching. This effect would completely check your touch screen. Each and every corner of your touch screen you can check. This is particularly important if you are going to buy a second-hand phone from the market and you want to see whether the touch screen of the phone is working properly. This function would tell you whether it is working properly or not. Then you have accelerometer sensor, which tells about the rotation of the phone. See, I am rotating the phone, it is rotating. So this tells that the accelerometer sensor is working properly. Similarly, you can see the effect of proximity sensor. When I am covering my screen, it is working, and when it is placed in light, it says release and working. So this tells me that the proximity sensor is also working properly. Now let's check the light sensor. When you check the light sensor, see, it's also working. So guys, from these all the 12 functions, you yourself can check that whether your phone which you are going to buy from the market, whether it is a new one or it is a second-hand phone, that phone is working properly or not. You can check each and every function, and this is important because you don't have to be dependent upon the salesman or any other person to tell you that whether each or every other thing is working properly or not. You have the knowledge, you can check it, and you can verify that whatever you are buying is a good piece of product or not. So guys, this is what I wanted to tell you today in this video. The important thing is that you have to remember the code. I repeat once again, the code is *73#. Now friends, remember this code whenever you are going to buy a Samsung phone, or whether it is a new one or from a second-hand mobile from your friend or any other community from where you are buying this phone, do remember this code *#7353#. It would come handy to you in number of situations, so please keep it in mind. Friends, I hope that you have liked the video, and if you want any further information or if you want that I should make such videos like this one, please tell me in the comments box, because your comments are very valuable to me. Thanks for watching the videos. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks for watching Bhanot Talks. Bye bye.